let's talk about the top 3 toilet training tips. Number 1, you want to make sure your child wears underwear full time. Number 2, you want to make sure that you have rewards for every success. Number 3, you have to be consistent. Let's talk about each one of those in depth. When you start potty training, you want to make sure that your child is wearing underwear full time, even during car trips and bedtime. If you're concerned about accident, you can put a diaper over the underwear. Number 2, it's really important that you have rewards. Rewards are the key to successful potty training. Make sure that you have items that your child is highly motivated by or would climb mountains to get. This can be candy, this can be toys, this can be TV or computer time. Whatever it may be, that's what you want to use as a reward for every time your child has a success on the potty. Number 3, it's really important to be consistent. Everybody has to be on the same page. So mom and dad and the babysitter and teachers and the grandparents all need to be doing the same thing, meaning that your child needs to be wearing underwear full time, they need to be getting rewards for every success, and everybody needs to be doing the same thing. And those are the top 3 tips for getting your child potty trained.